Okay, not going to keep you long today. Really nice, simple tuna white bean salad. What we have here, bit of green, that's going to be the bed we're going to put it on. Over here, got some olive oil, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon there of a balsamic vinegar. Here I've got like a cup of fresh basil, which I think is beautiful in this. Then we've got a cup of tomato, cup of cucumber, half a cup of red onion, 2 cups of white beans. These are beans from a can, so I wash them. If you're going to use from a can, wash them with some nice cold water, rinse them out. And then some tuna. There's 130 grams, I'm using that size can, you know. It's 130 grams of a tuna. This one's in a sunflower oil, just drained it off a little bit of black olives that I've just chopped up. That's it, bit of salt and pepper, job done. So I've got a mixing bowl there. You can see I've got the beans and the tuna in already. Just gonna mash that tuna down just a little bit. Very simply, I'm gonna add half a cup of onion, a cup of cucumber. I mean, you can adjust this as much as you like actually. A cup of tomato, little bit of chopped black olive in there, black pepper, nice big pinch for me or 2, little bit of salt, fresh basil, no need to break it or anything, just the whole thing in there like that, and plenty of it if you can. Tablespoon balsamic vinegar, which is nice and kind of sweet, it's not too harsh. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. I'm going to give that a mix. We've done it. Little bit of mixed lettuce on there. On it goes. So easy. Pop that on the table. Let everyone share that. Beautiful. And that's it. Job done. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.